Yo, wagwan peeps. So, you know, I'm back again with another video, and this time I came to talk about this car that I've had for a while. I never posted it because I never saw myself I do anything with this car or go anywhere with this car. So for whom it interests, you know, some people might not like it, some people might like it. 2004 Honda Accord fully loaded, right? And this is the car and what it looks like inside. Yeah, now watch that. That's an easy fix, right? The car is dumb clean, bro. It has 101,000 miles on the dash. Look how clean everything is in there. Like, you know what I mean? Like, just wait till I get this car started. I'm gonna make a little bit more videos and stuff like that and get this going. So don't mind all of that back there. I just, you know, I never, like I said, I never touch this car or anything. I got it and parked it up clean, bro. Everything works, man. You see that? Spring. Boom. I got some money that don't stay up. All right, so we'll get that fixed. But yeah, it's very clean, bro. Look, everything is everything. More about the car. 2004 Honda Accord. Yeah, it's the 3.0 V6, you know, J-series, bad transmission. Now here's the twist. I know you've seen it automatic, but what I'm thinking about is, because the transmission is already bad, right? So being that I'm gonna have to take that one out, that one that's in it now out, I might as well just take it out and swap it with a 6-speed transmission. You know, not much of those are around, but they're around, you know what I mean? But I'd swap this one over and keep it 6-speed and nothing crazy, you know, lower it, put some wheels, of course, you know what I mean, and fog lights, whatever. Car even need like a paint job as well. The sun is crazy out today. I don't know if you can see it. But for the most part, like after wash and clean up and everything, you know, be Gucci. And of course, swap transmission and let's go. What do you guys think? Let me know. Give me some feedback, man. So I would be looking for a 6-speed transmission. I haven't found one yet. So if you know somebody or you know someplace I could get one, you know, please link up and get in touch and let me know how much I need to even have the whole thing done. You know, let me know. Honestly, if you're at this part of the video, pick up yourself, see? Remember to, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, if I ever touch YouTube with this, but yeah, subscribe. Remember that. And be sure to hit the like button, because as you know, YouTube are this algorithm thing, and I'd appreciate it if some of us, you know, just give this video a like. Help me out at the same time. That's what I'm really looking for. Help. Well, let's get out here. I'm out. See you?